Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. Issue is that you have no sound on your iPhone. So how you can fix that? So when you just connect with your headphone and it's saying that you have not connected with any headphone, so how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So just go to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you just go to the general section and just going to software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So just update the latest iOS version. So after that, just scroll it down and just go to transfer reset iPhone and just tap on reset and reset all the settings from here. After that, just go back and just power off your iPhone. Just press the volume button and the volume up button and the power button and just power off your iPhone and again on it. After on, just scroll up and see the option of airplane mode. Just turn on and again a little bit and just turn it off. After that, your problem gonna solve and you just have to just connect with your headphones and use it. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.